Ever wondered how to dive into the world of investing but felt a little lost on where to even begin? Or maybe you've heard whispers of Robinhood and its promise of commission-free trading, but the thought of linking your bank account feels like navigating a financial labyrinth? Well, you're not alone. It's a question many budding investors ask, and today, we're going to demystify the process of linking your bank account to Robinhood. Think of your bank account as the fuel tank for your investing journey. It's where the money sits, ready to be deployed into the exciting world of stocks, ETFs, and other investment vehicles. Robinhood, in this analogy, is the car, your vehicle for navigating the markets. But just like a car needs fuel to run, your Robinhood account needs access to your bank account to facilitate trades. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's address a crucial point: security. Your bank account is precious, and understandably, you want to protect it. Robinhood employs robust security measures, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, to safeguard your financial information. However, it's always wise to practice good digital hygiene. Use strong, unique passwords, be wary of phishing attempts, and keep your software updated. It's like locking your car even in a safe neighborhood, a good habit to cultivate. With that peace of mind in place, let's get to the nitty-gritty of linking your bank account. First things first, you'll need to have a Robinhood account. If you haven't already set one up, it's a straightforward process that you can initiate through their website or mobile app. Think of it as registering for a library card before you can borrow books, a necessary first step. Once your Robinhood account is ready, the linking process itself is surprisingly simple. There are generally two main methods: instant verification and manual verification. Instant verification, as the name suggests, is the quicker of the two. It usually involves using your online banking credentials to allow Robinhood to verify your account instantly. It's like giving the librarian your ID card to quickly confirm your borrowing privileges. Robinhood doesn't store your banking login information. They use a secure third-party service to facilitate this process. Think of it as a secure handshake between Robinhood and your bank. Now, you might be wondering, is instant verification safe? Well, it's generally considered secure, but it's understandable to have reservations about sharing your banking credentials. Reputable financial institutions use secure protocols to transmit this information, and as mentioned earlier, Robinhood itself doesn't store your login details. It's like using a credit card online. There's always a slight element of trust involved, but the systems are designed to protect your data. If instant verification makes you a tad uneasy, or if your bank isn't supported for instant linking, you can opt for manual verification. This method involves Robinhood making small, temporary deposits into your bank account, usually less than $1. It's like a tiny test drive to ensure everything is working correctly. You'll then need to confirm the exact amounts of these deposits within Robinhood. This confirms that you have access to the account and are indeed the rightful owner. It's a bit like confirming your address on a delivery package, a way to double-check everything is correct. The manual verification process might take a little longer than instant verification, usually a couple of business days, as it relies on the banking system to process those small deposits. Think of it as sending a letter versus sending an email. The letter takes a bit longer to reach its destination. Now, regardless of which method you choose, Robinhood might ask you for some additional information to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure in the financial world, often referred to as KYC, Know Your Customer. It's like showing your passport at the airport, a way to confirm you are who you say you are. This might involve providing your social security number or other identifying documents. Again, this is a standard practice to prevent fraud and ensure the security of the financial system. It's like a background check before you're hired for a sensitive job, a way to ensure everything is above board. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you're ready to fuel your investing journey. You can transfer funds from your bank account to your Robinhood account, and then use those funds to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other investments. Think of it as filling up your car's tank before embarking on a road trip. You need the fuel to get started. Now, a few important things to remember. Linking your bank account is a one-time process. Once it's done, you can easily transfer funds back and forth as needed. It's like setting up automatic payments for your bills. Once it's set up, it's smooth sailing. Also, be mindful of any transfer limits that your bank or Robinhood might impose. These limits are in place to protect both you and the financial institutions involved. It's like having a speed limit on the highway, a way to ensure safety and prevent accidents. And finally, if you encounter any issues during the linking process, Robinhood has a dedicated customer support team that can assist you. Think of them as the roadside assistants for your investing journey, always there to help if you run into a flat tire. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.